Hello everybody, and welcome to Frame Family Farm on this warm front but snowing Monday. We're going to check on the littles here, take care of the birds of course, and then we'll have another video or two about the cows and donkeys. What a mess the chickens have made of their food. What a mess. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing here? Let's sit this egg carton down here. Watch out, girls. Alright, let's go get them some food. And we gotta pull eggs also. No, you're not getting out. Rooster. Hey, bud. This is a little silky rooster. Alright. Alright. The food train. Alright. Oh, we still got some corn in there. I'll have to refill the chicken's feeder tomorrow. You hungry? You hungry? You side-eyeing me, punk? Don't side-eye me, punk. Good to see them being active and making noises. That's good. It's a good sign. Now I just gotta go pull eggs real quick. Somebody actually just messaged me about buying hatching eggs. They need 6 dozen, so I have close to 5 dozen. We'll have to see. What am I doing? I need to grab the carton. Let's see. Not as many as I was hoping for. Like I just said though, somebody just messaged me today about getting some hatching eggs. They want 6 dozen. I have a hair over 5 dozen available right now, so I'll have to see. To come back out and check later and see exactly how many I have. That's it for the birds. We're going to head over to see the cows and the donkadonks.